Grandma's recipes will save me. They always do. I will cook this for the competition. So that's where she gets all her recipes. Every last one.
Welcome. Please place your dish names here, and we will register your entry for the championship.
6 categories. I intend to sweep all of them.
We have a conflict. These dish names are already registered.
Those are my grandmother's recipes. She invented every one.
Recipes need documentation. Do you have documentation?
Look, her handwriting, her flowers, her dates, every page. This is her book.
Undated. Anyone could have written that. She's disqualified.
I heard you got disqualified. Rough luck. Maybe cook something original. Those recipes belong to my grandmother. You know exactly what you did. Feelings aren't evidence, slowpoke. I want to appeal. Those recipes belong to my grandmother, and I can prove it.
I'll need to review this before the championship.
You went and complained? You pathetic little elephant. My grandmother wrote every word. The dates are in her handwriting. That's my proof. Proof? This is your proof? These are my recipes now. You're nothing. You just destroyed something that cannot be replaced. Grandma? People say elephants never forget, and it's true. Want to know why? Don't skip. These recipes almost disappeared forever. At least listen to the story behind them. We have the largest brain of any land animal, and one of the longest memories. We remember places, faces, and experiences for decades. Our herds are led by matriarchs, or grandmothers. They're the ones who pass down everything: where to find water, which plants are safe, which paths to take. We learn by watching. Grandmothers teach their daughters, who teach their daughters. And when we lose someone, we mourn. Elephant herds return to the bones of family members they've lost. They touch them gently with their trunks and stand together in silence. That's why the bond between a grandma elephant and her grandchild is super strong. Center stage, as it should be. 6 dishes, 6 first places. Watch and learn, everyone. What? Why is it? Stop that! Huh? This isn't possible. Someone is cheating.
Is that writing?
That's my grandmother's name. It's nothing. Spices fell. This means nothing. This place is haunted. Something is doing this to me. Why won't you stay where I put you?
What's going on here?
We will taste what is in front of us. That is how judging works. This is extraordinary. There is love in every layer.
Wait, what about me? Give me more time. I can still cook something.
First place in all 6 categories goes to Kaya for the restored recipes of the grandmother's table.
This is rigged. My father is a head judge. You cannot do this!
Chef Gruber is removed from his judging position pending review of the disqualification he issued.
Oh.
Please, I just need one dish. One dish that works. This curse won't leave me. I'll never be able to cook again. Looks like the only thing you were ever good at cooking was lies.